Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable Apple CarPlay on your MG car. So, I am on the MG S5 EV car. Now what are we going to do here is we're going to go over and we got App Connect on the homepage, of course. We're going to click on Apple CarPlay here, and of course we got previously paired devices, but we're interested in Connect device. Now, as you guys can see on my iPhone, I already opened up the CarPlay settings. So here we have our device, the MGWE. And as you guys can see, now I'm connecting to the first one, clicking connect on the screen. And we got the pairing request. So I got the pairing request here. I'm going to click pair. And now I'm going to click pair right here. As you guys can see, the pairing went through. Now I have connect to CarPlay. We're going to click on connect and it is connecting. So we should give it a second. Sometimes it just doesn't start first try, even though it's definitely connected to our phone, and it's really normal. So if you see that CarPlay failed, then you shouldn't be worried. I'll show you what to do if that happens to me. So if that does not happen, of course, you just click on connect right here. It should refresh everything. As you guys can see, we're gonna click here, click on connect, and now as you guys can see, we're in. So everything works just fine. We got our CarPlay, we got the Spotify, we got Google Maps, we got everything that we need here. So of course we got the MG app to go back and to have fun here. Also, if you click on Apple CarPlay, it will just enable. So that's how it works. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.